I'm going to show you how to use Basecamp to store a number of different databases so that all of your stuff isn't in one place. I've got here drive E and my documents, and in there I'm going to create a new folder and I'm going to call it Basecamp DB for Basecamp database. We'll accept that, and inside there I'm going to create one folder called Scotland 2016, and another one I'm going to store new folder, and I'm going to call this Northeast Routes. It can be called anything. Just took that out of the way, and in Basecamp we go to, you can see this is an empty database. This is the default database, in fact, with my collection there. I'm going to go to Edit and Options, and here we've got the option to choose any one of a number of different databases. The default is just to have one, but I've already got 3 set up, so I'm going to add another one, and this one is going to be called Northeast Routes, and the database location was on my computer on drive E. This can be anywhere, in fact. My documents and Basecamp database, and it was Scotland 2016. No, it wasn't, sorry, it was Northeast Routes. Okay, we've made the database, and we'll switch to that database by clicking on this, and it will restart Garmin, it will restart Basecamp, and we've now got Northeast Routes up there. I'm going to do the same again and go to Edit. I'll just stick a route on here. Okay, so we know that we've got one. Close that down, and we'll do the same again. Create up another database. Options, General, add a new database. The database is same place. Basecamp database, Scotland 2016, and we'll call this one Scotland 2016. Okay, we'll switch to that database, it will restart, notice that there's no route on this one. We'll just have this set up a route on there. Okay, where it goes from and to. We'll close that down, finish that off, and just to demonstrate, Edit, Options, General, that's Scotland 2016, not to be confused with 2016 Scotland. I'll switch back to the Northeast Routes, click on that, yes, it will restart. There's the one that was in the northeast, and do it again, Edit, Options, switch to Scotland 2016, and we get the Scotland database. So the two aren't mixed up together in any way. We can have any number of databases there, and we can load whichever one that we want. And all I've done is created a folder in my documents, Basecamp DB, where they're going to be stored, and it's created these files. Okay, that's it.